A very warm welcome, dear children. This video, finally, after doing so many videos of little things, specific concepts, similar type of transaction, this is a mixed bag of journal, all for you. So if you practiced all those entries earlier, this will be a really nice challenge for you to give me answers like this. Before we start this video, if you haven't watched my earlier videos, please go and watch them because you need to be very thorough with, children, what classification of accounts is all about. How do we decide to whether debit an account or credit an account? Debit and credit is the life and blood of accounts. You need to be there, okay? So you have to understand that, and then you should be knowing that, what is the accounting, way of presenting a transaction and what this transaction means. Yes? So this video would be summing up everything that you have learned in journals chapter till now. Okay? Let's start with it. First one, sold goods to Harish, 20,000. So as soon as you see this, immediately you should strike credit sale transaction. Harish account debit to sales account. That's how it should be. Okay? And how are we doing this? Again, going back to the rules. We are selling goods, so sales account. Whenever we sell goods, it should be sales account because the income, all incomes to be credited. Sales accounts credit. Harish is buying the goods because we have not, it's not been mentioned anywhere whether cash or not. It's not paid as cash, it's not mentioned. But the name of the party is mentioned. So this gives us a clue that this is a credit sale transaction. So the answer is Harish account debit. Harish is my debtor. And I said, he will pay me the amount later on. Harish account debit 20,000 to sales account credit 20,000. My dear friends, I would like to remind you that narrations are an inseparable part of journal. But again, narrations are so simple to write. You just pick up the narration from the transaction itself. Sold goods to Harish. So what will you write in the narration? Being goods sold on credit, right? So here, you just have to be very clear about what you have to write in the narration, right? So I hope you'll be able to write that, so I'm skipping that for the time being, okay? Now, second one, Harish returned goods worth 1,000. Harish is returning goods. These goods were sold earlier, those goods are coming back, so this is what returns? Sales return. So sales return is the opposite of sales. Sales return, right? Sales is credit, sales return is debit because it reduces our sales income. So sales return account debit because my income is reduced by 1,000 and of course these goods are given by Harish. So Harish will not pay me this 1,000 anymore. He was supposed to pay me 20,000. Now his return word goods 1,000, so he paid me only 19,000, right? So this 1,000 I need to credit Harish with because he has given back me the goods, so his liability to pay me has reduced. So he is a lesser asset to me. पहले वो asset था 20,000 का, now he is the asset worth 19,000. 1,000 less. Harish settled his account. Settled, this word settled should ring bells in your mind. Settled matlab? I'll have to check for discount. Settled his account by paying 18,500. I just said he has to pay me 19,000. This guy is lucky he has got a discount from us. Of how much? 500. So, Harish, he is paying me. I will credit him. What is he paying me? Cash. Cash is an asset which is coming in. How much? 18,500. I have allowed him a discount. So, discount allowed account debit 500 and I credit Harish the amount that was outstanding in his account which was 19,000. Yes, 90. 20 minus this 1, 19,000 credit. So see, I credited Harish 1,000 here, 19,000 here. 20 credited, 20 debited. Harish's account is closed. He has paid me only out of this 18,500. Remaining 500 is discount allowed, a loss for me, so I debit it. Correct. So this is how we pass the settled his account entries. Okay. Now again, settled Goel's account of 10,000 after discount of 200. Okay. Now what does this mean? Was the total amount paid by 10,200 or was it 10,000? Have I paid 10,000 or have I paid 9,800? Many students get confused here, of course. Might be confusing. So let us remove the confusion, once and for all. Settled Goel's account of 10,000. Account of 10,000 meaning Goel's account was showing 10,000 there. Payable. Settled meaning we are settling, we are paying. Goel is not paying us, okay? First thing, get that. So Goel को पैसा दे रहे. How much was his account showing? 10,000. Okay. If I did not get that discount, I would have paid 10,000 only then to settle the account. But they are saying after a discount of 200, okay, then we have not paid the 10,000. We have paid 200 less. Got a discount? Paid the rest, 9,800. Got it? So Goel's account was showing 10,000 meaning amount due was 10,000. So Goel was a creditor. That means if I had to pay him, now he's no more a creditor. A liability going down. So I debit him with the entire amount due in his account. That is how I will close his account. 2. Cash account because I am paying 9,800. 2. Discount received. This is an income for me. All incomes to be credited. So narration being Goel's account settled at a discount. Finish. Clear? So here please be very careful about whether to add that amount or subtract that amount while paying. Next one. Paid insurance premium 1,500 by check. Paid insurance premium 1,500 by check. Now, of course, by check means we are making a payment to the bank, so bank account will decrease, meaning the asset will decrease, so credit. What are we paying? My expenses, the insurance premium. What are we insuring here, by the way? I don't know. There's some insurance being paid, right? It might be insurance for my building, my go down, my goods, my transport vehicle. I can insure so many things, right? So business will need to pay insurance premium. So that's an expense. Insurance premium is paid in order to get yourself safe. In case there is a loss to this, the insurance company will compensate it because I have taken an insurance policy. So, expense, and the money is going out of my bank account, say credit bank account, 1,500 and here 1,500. Okay, so this is an example of a payment made through the bank. Clear? Paid life insurance premium of 2,000. Okay, again the same thing. Life insurance premium cannot be on the life of the business. It is obviously for the proprietor's life. Proprietor's life insurance premium. Why should the business pay for it? It's a personal expense of the proprietor. Why should the business bear it? Getting it? Getting a difference between only life insurance, insurance and life insurance. Okay? So whenever it is giving life insurance, meaning it is for the proprietor's insurance policy on his life, not the burden on business. So for this entry, we will not debit life insurance premium account because this is not an expense of the business. We will debit drawings account here. Drawings account debit 2,000 to cash account because the business has paid for it, so it has to record it. Cash to gaya na? Why did I debit drawings? Because anything withdrawn for the personal use of the proprietor. I don't want to see what he has taken it out for, right? Here it has been paid for life insurance premium. He can take it out for anything, but I will term it as drawings. Okay? So drawings account debit in such cases of life insurance premium. Simply insurance premium, please do not bring in drawings into picture. Received from Alka 19,000 after a discount of 1,000. Here's the discount after and all. Huh? Now here, do we add this amount? 20,000, 19,000, 18,000, what? Received from Alka. How much did I receive? That is very much clear. Okay? If I just tell you this, received from Alka 19,000. What do you mean? Alka is paying you 19,000. Alka was your debtor. She is paying you 19,000. 19,000 you have received, right? Cash has come in 19,000. That is clear? After a discount of 1,000, meaning obviously Alka owed me more than 19,000. Right? She owed me how much? 20,000. Okay, it will not be like, Alka pays me 19 and then I say, okay, 1,000 you take discount. It's not like that, right? After the discount, she has paid me 90. She has paid me 90, that means this is received. And the amount she owed was more than that. How much more? The amount of discounting. So here we add. Here we have subtracted because there was something different given there. So here we are receiving cash. How much? 19,000. We have allowed her a discount. So discount allowed account 1,000. 2. Alka, who is no more a debtor to me, she owed me 20,000. 90 she paid me after deducting 1,000 discount. Okay? So the wording how we put will define or decide whether I should be adding or subtracting the amount. Okay? Please be very specific about the terminology. Okay. So on to Kanika. Goods costing 10,000. Fine. Goods costing 10,000 at 20% profit. Okay. Meaning, for me the cost was 10,000. When I sold to her, I added the cost plus the profit. Okay. 20% I want to earn profit. So 20% I added. 20% of what? Obviously the cost. So 20%. Let me show you the calculation. So 10,000 cost plus 20% of this 10,000, meaning 2,000 add. So I should be selling it. The selling price is 12,000. Okay, the list price. Allowing 10% trade discount. Okay, I tell that my goods are worth 12,000, but I allow her a trade discount of 10%. So 10% of this 1,200, I allow her a trade discount. Wonderful. So 10,800 is the actual, this is the listed price, this is the sale price. Yes, after trade discount we have the sale price. So listed price was cost plus profit, 12,000. I told her these goods are worth 12,000. Then I said, okay, take a discount of 10%. So 1,200 minus all that, 10,800. Now, and a 5% cash discount also, but she paid 40% only. Meaning right now she is just paying me 40, only partly on cash. Remaining 60% is a credit transaction. On that you never get a cash discount. So let us find out how much is 40% of this and how much is 60% of this. 40% of this, okay? 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4320 is 40% of this and 60% is the remaining, of course. 8, 48 and 6. Okay. Now I hope I have got this right. Have I? Yes. 800, 10,800. Yes. Okay. So 40% and 60% are these. Now you tell me, on which amount will she get a cash discount? On the 40% that she is paying, right? So she is paying only for on this 40%, she will get 5% cash discount. Okay? How much will that be now? Again, 10% is this, so half of this is 216 rupees. 216 rupees is cash discount. Okay, so let us figure out the entry. Sold goods, gold goods, so sales, right? And selling to Kanika. So Kanika's account will be coming into picture to the extent of the credit transaction. Amount she has to pay me. She has to pay me 6480. So 6480 and debit to Kanika's account. The amount she has not paid. 60% of the total selling price. 40% of that I will receive cash, but after the discount. So discount allowed account, first thing I will debit with 216 rupees. If I subtract 216 from here, okay, 216 rupees, 5% discount. Fine. So 16,041. 4140 I should receive from Kanika. Correct? Because 40% of 10,800 is 4320. Right? This is what she is supposed to pay me. But since I am giving her a 5% cash discount on this amount, I will subtract the 5% discount on 4320, 216 from this, and I will receive only 4140. Sorry, 4104. Okay? Then we credit sales account. Sales account will be the entire amount, which is 10,800, our selling price, after the trade discount. It is not 12,000, remember, because 12,000 is the listed price, right? Clear to you? Good. The remaining. Now, the next one says, all newspapers sold at 200. All newspapers. What are newspapers? I pay for newspaper bills every month. It's an expense for me. So, there's some old newspaper. It's all, scrap. So, I'm selling scrap basically. It's not an asset that I'm selling. Or these are not goods for me. Okay? So, newspapers are not even goods, not even assets. But I'm selling it. So, and we're receiving 200. So, definitely cash is coming in. So, cash account will definitely be debited. And what is the source of this income? I cannot credit to old newspaper account. Can I? No. It is not newspapers that I am selling. It's not goods for me. It's not neither an asset. So, any such small little incomes or receipts are called sundry receipts or miscellaneous receipts. Miscellaneous receipts meaning chota mota income, idhar udhar ka, which is not my regular business. Sale of scrap, okay, sale of newspaper, sale of small little tidbits, hardly matters kind of. So those things will be credited to an account called miscellaneous receipts account, 200. Similarly, there might be small little expenses which we are paying for, which is not this huge that we will dedicate one special account to it. So I'll grab up all those chota mota items and I debit to miscellaneous expenses account. Okay. Paid rent, 6,000. Rent is an expense. Rent account debit. 1/3 relates to proprietor's residence. Oops. Out of the 6,000 paid, now if 6,000 is for business, then business is supposed to pay rent for 6,000. But out of this 1/3 is for the proprietor's residence, personal expense. Personal expense equal to drawings. So drawings account will be debited with whatever amount relates to him. 1/3 relates to proprietor's residence. So 1/3 of 6,000 is his personal expense, should be debited to drawings account. Correct? So drawings account debit 1/3 of 6,000 meaning 2,000. Remaining is a business expense which will be debited to rent account, which is 4,000, 2/3 of it. Cash is going completely 6,000, right? So cash account will be credited with 6,000 because cash is reducing entire 6,000. Out of that 2,000 is paid for the proprietor, 4,000 is paid for the business. Binay, who owed us 8,000, declared insolvent. 25 paisa in a rupee received as final dividend. Okay, very sad. So, Binay, who owed us meaning he was a debtor. So, he was a debtor. How much did he owe us? 8,000. 8,000. Out of that, now if he is declared insolvent, meaning of course he is not in a position to pay us, right? Still, we have received 25 paise in a rupee, meaning 25 in a rupee. How many paise in a rupee? 100 paise, meaning 25%. In other words, 25% of this we have received. Remaining that we have not received, what is it? Bad debts. Wonderful. In my previous video, I just discussed that, right? So, bad debts is definitely a loss for me. I debit bad debts account. Remember bad debts? Bad debts are those amounts which we do not receive from our debtors. They have turned bad. Alright? So, the entry will be bad debts account, the amount of loss we are bearing. If 25% a rupee we have received, means 25%, 1/4 of that is 2,000 we have received. Remaining 6,000 we have not received. So not received is bad debt. Received, I have received cash, so cash is coming in, I debit it. Binay's account has to be closed because now this entire 8,000 story is over. He owed us 8,200, 2,000 he has given us, and the remaining he is not going to give me. So is he still my debtor or my asset? No. I am not going to receive anything from him. So there is no point showing his asset open, his account open, right? So we close Binay's account entirely. Okay. So with this, we finish off with the taken task in hand. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay. Keep learning more of accounts. Keep learning in the simple way, fun way, happy way, nice way. Take care, children. Keep smiling. See you soon.